A photovoltaic power plant, from empty land to megawatts of clean energy. It is a complex process where every decision impacts at least 25 years of operation, site selection, grid connection conditions, permits, technology choice, the tilt angle of the panels, inverter placement, system layout. All of this directly affects energy production for decades to come. Proper financing structure and comprehensive risk analysis of the entire investment. That is exactly what a good EPC contractor does. If you are looking for small or large photovoltaic projects in the RTB phase, we are ready to support you. At Lighthief, we aim to be part of your investment process from start to finish. Because a photovoltaic power plant is always a major and significant investment. The result? An installation that delivers according to assumptions from day one. A project without hidden issues. An investment that pays back as planned. Whether you are a financial investor producing energy for your own needs or executing a corporate strategy by selling energy to the grid. We operate in Poland, Italy, Spain, Cyprus, Ukraine, and as far as Kazakhstan. Lighthief, we choose the sun.